Alright guys, this is what we've been working on for the past 2 days. We are on lesson 7. We are using area model and we are decomposing these fractions to show equivalence. Okay, so I've got 1/2 right here in my gray. The 1/2 was split one time, which gave me 2 parts, which means I doubled right there everything that I had, and I ended up with 2/4. Okay, they wrote it out like this. Miss Collins likes to do like this, like the rainbow, like I've been doing. Okay, so you can do it either way. I will do it both ways for you today, just so you can see the difference, okay? Alright, so right here I start out with 1/2. That's before I look at the dotted lines. If I just look at it, I've got 1/2. Okay, 1/2 is equal to, well, I split it into 3 pieces, so 1 times 3 and 2 times 3. I just took that 1/2 and I'm multiplying it by 3 each one, because when I multiply by 3/3, that's the same as multiplying it by 1, so it's an equivalent fraction because it's being multiplied by 1. So 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, and if I look at this, I have 3/6. That's correct. That's what I have. Okay, if we do it the way we've been doing it, 1/2 equals 3/6. I can prove that because 1 times 3 is 3 and 2 times 3 is 6. It's the same thing, just a little different picture, okay? So, there you go. Alright, we're going to do another one. So this one I started with 1/2. This time I split it into 4 pieces. Since it's split into 4 pieces, I know I'm going to be doing times 4. So 1/2 is equal to 4, because 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 4/8. If I write it the way they wrote it, which you might see it this way in Zern, so I'm writing it both ways, 1/2 is equal to 1 times 4 and 2 times 4. That's the same as what we did here, which is equivalent to 4/8. Okay? Here we have 1/2 again, but this time we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. If we have 5 pieces, we're multiplying by 5. So 1/2, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10. 1/2 is equal to 5/10. If I count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 10, that is correct. Come down here, write it the other way. 1/2 is equal to 1 times 5 and 2 times 5, just 5/10. Okay? Alright, let's do some more. It says decompose the shaded fractions into smaller units using area model. Express the equivalent fraction in a number sentence. So you can decompose these however you want, at your choice. We'll do the top 2. We'll do these 2, A and C, and then I'll save those 2 to do during morning meeting. And we could decompose these in a bunch of different ways. Okay, so this is 1/4. Okay, and I'm going to decompose it into 3 extra pieces. Okay, so when I decompose it into 3 extra pieces, that's like 1 times 3 and 4 times 3, because I split it, both of those, into 3 extra pieces. So I've got 3/12. If I look at them, I've got 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3/12. Both of these are equivalent. They're the same thing. I'm just cutting it up into smaller pieces. Okay, this one down here I'm going to cut up into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So I've got cut that up into 4 pieces. So I started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I'm going to do the rainbow on this one. I cut it into 4 pieces, cut it into 4 pieces. So 1 times 4 is 4, 6 times 4 is 24. If I count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so 1/6 is equal to 4/24. If I wrote it the way I did up at the top, it would look like this. 1/6 is equal to 1 times 4, 6 times 4, which equals 4/24. Alright guys, if you need any more help with lesson 7, please get on and let me know. We will do some in class as well.